This video is about getting rid of the ransomware called Inlock. This ransomware is called Inlock because it encrypts files and it appends this Inlock extension to the files. After encryption, it's not possible to use the files. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting it. I'm just showing you the negativity that can be caused by this ransomware, and I'm showing you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. So before the ransomware attack, you were able to open the files without troubles. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Inlock ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. Then users just cannot open their files anymore. The files pretty soon get damaged and encrypted. The ransomware also changes the desktop background of the attacked computer, and anyway, you'll soon see the negative results of the ransomware attack. So this is what happens with the files. You try to open the specific file and you get a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the Inlock extension which was appended to the file names. And furthermore, because of this ransomware, your computer may be just freezing periodically. The ransomware drops this ransom note called "read it." I guess it's in Spanish. It says that users need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but you should not pay the ransom. There is no guarantee that your data would be restored if you pay the ransom. So don't pay it, don't waste your money. What I recommend you to do is immediately removing this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner, the software that I recommend. To download it, you might need to use Internet Explorer browser because other browsers may also be damaged by that ransomware. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and then you need to wait until the anti-malware database is successfully updated. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner is updated, the software will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. By the way, please pay very careful attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or even several folders on the system that will always be under the protection against ransomware. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files, but this anti-ransomware feature helps you to protect your data from further ransomware attacks. Of course, at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats which were found. You will also be able to know the information about the locations of threats on the system. Of course, based on the summary of threats, some of them can be always removed manually, but I do recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner, since this is the best way to keep your data protected, and Combo Cleaner will definitely help you to remove this Inlock ransomware.